Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have ad permissions, otherwise you can't change draft campaigns. Open Facebook Ads Manager or the Instagram app promotions area and navigate to the drafts or pending filter. Once visible, scan name, objective, and delivery status so you know which campaign is pending. Make sure to pick the correct account if you manage several. This first step gets you directly into the list of pending ads, ready for deletion or review without unnecessary clicks. Now select the pending ad or ads you intend to remove. You can multi-select with checkboxes or open one to inspect details. Review targeting, budget, schedule, and creatives so you don't delete something by mistake. Once deleted, it may be gone permanently. If an ad is pending due to policy or billing, you'll see that in the inspector. Use this information to fix instead of delete. Once done, confirm selection and proceed to the delete action in the Ads Manager or Promotions menu. Finally, click Delete or Remove and confirm the prompt. That action permanently removes the selected pending ads. You'll see the change reflected in the drafts or pending list. If not, refresh the page or app. If deletion fails, make sure billing is up to date and your role still allows edits, because permissions or unpaid balances can block changes. As a troubleshooting tip, log out and back in or clear cache. That forces the interface to update and usually resolves lingering pending entries.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.